Are you looking for the best home toolkits? Check out our top 5 picks. These swings are sure best home toolkits, and they're all available at great prices. So let's get started.
Product number 1. Tool Set 8V Cordless Drill Set. Experience Tool Set 8V Cordless Drill Set. Red cordless drill set for women. This 8V toolkit for women is versatile for wood and plastic drilling, as well as screw tightening and loosening. With variable speed control via the trigger, it reaches up to 800 RPM no-load speed. The built-in LED light enhances visibility, and at a lightweight 1.65 pounds, it's easy to operate single-handedly. Drill tool set with 10-piece drill bit set. Get the job done right with our premium drill tool set for women, featuring 10 high-quality drill bits to cover all your drilling needs, more than most standard sets. With a versatile selection of bits, you'll be ready for any project, from wood to metal and plastic. Built for durability and precision, this set ensures reliable performance every time, making it a must-have addition to your toolkit.
Product number 2. King Tool 325-piece Home Repair Toolkit. Experience King Tool 325-piece Home Repair Toolkit. Toolbox included. Includes one drawer storage box with independent sliding drawer to enlarge the capacity more than common toolbox. Assortment of necessary tools are in one tool chest. Durable plastic case with internal molded compartments to keep each component protected and easily accessible. All tools meet or exceed ANSI standard. High quality material. Made of high quality steel and finished in heat-treated chrome. Durable and corrosion resistance. Handles made of TPR material, comfortable for grip.
Product number 3. Craftsman 102-piece toolkit for home. Experience Craftsman 102-piece toolkit for home. Low-profile ratchet, up to 25% thinner head for access in tight spaces, as compared to CMMT 81747 and CMMT 81748. 72-tooth ratchet, delivers 5-degree arc swing. Convenience. Comprehensive set of 1/4 and 3/8 inch drive mechanics tools and mixed hand tools.
Product number 4. King Tool 276-piece Tool Set Kit. Toolkit with 12-volt Experience King Tool 276-piece Tool Set Kit. Toolkit with 12-volt cordless power drill driver toolbox storage case with drawer. Upgrade and durable toolbox. The Upgrade toolbox is a multifunctional solution that combines aesthetics and practicality. It features a storage compartment with a separate sliding drawer, offering greater capacity than standard toolboxes. This design allows for organized storage of various tool types, making it easier and quicker to find the tools you need. Fully functional and highly practical. The 276-piece tool set meets daily work needs, easily handling tasks such as furniture repairs, appliance installations, and simple renovations. It includes a variety of common tools, such as screwdrivers, wrenches, pliers, hammers, needle nose pliers, saw, drill. They provide convenience and efficiency for our daily lives.
Product number 5. 248-piece tool set. General Household Hand Toolkit. Experience 248-piece tool set. General Household Hand Toolkit with plastic toolbox storage case for men. 248-piece tool set for various projects. This 248-piece tool set includes everything needed for home repairs, automotive work, and DIY projects. From screwdrivers and sockets to wrenches and accessories, this comprehensive toolkit helps you handle any task with ease, making it a must-have for any household or workshop. Organized storage toolkit. Keep all tools neatly stored and easy to find with the durable case included in this tool set. Each tool has its own place, so you can stay organized and save time on